Right now, thousands of Australians who are currently receiving their pension payments could be at risk of losing them. Not next year, not next month, right now. And the shocking part, most of them have absolutely no idea it's coming. If you, or someone you love, is on the age pension, the disability support pension, or any Centrelink payment, you need to watch this video until the very end, because what we are about to reveal could literally save your payments. Welcome back to Centrelink Pension Guide, the channel dedicated to helping everyday Australians understand their rights, protect their payments, and navigate the Centrelink system with confidence. We have been getting an overwhelming number of messages from our community, people saying their payments have suddenly been reduced, suspended, or stopped without any clear warning, and when they called Centrelink, they were put on hold for hours, left confused and frustrated. So today, we are going to break down exactly why pension payments are being stopped or reduced, what the most common triggers are, what you must do right now to protect yourself, and how to fight back if your payment has already been affected. Let's start with the big question. Why is this happening? Centrelink conducts regular reviews of all pension recipients to make sure people still meet the eligibility requirements, and this is where thousands of people are getting caught out. The first major reason is income and assets reviews. If your financial situation has changed, even slightly, and you have not reported it, your payments can be reduced or stopped immediately. This includes things like a term deposit that has matured, shares or investments that have increased in value, receiving an inheritance, a change in your superannuation balance, or rental income from a property. Many pensioners do not realize that even small changes in their financial situation must be reported to Centrelink, and if they are not reported on time, Centrelink can not only stop your payments, but also raise a debt against you, meaning you may have to pay money back. The second reason is address and living arrangement changes. If you have moved, even temporarily, and you have not updated your address with Centrelink, this can trigger a review because Centrelink cross-checks data with Australia Post, the Australian Tax Office, and state government agencies, and if their records do not match what you have told them, a flag gets raised. The third reason is relationship status changes, which is one of the biggest causes of payment issues. If your relationship status has changed, you have separated from a partner, started living with someone new, or your partner has passed away, Centrelink needs to know because your payment rate depends heavily on whether you are assessed as a single person or as a couple. Now, here's something critically important that most pensioners do not know about. Centrelink runs a data matching program, which means Centrelink automatically shares and compares your information with dozens of other government agencies, including the Australian Tax Office, the Department of Home Affairs, financial institutions, and state revenue offices. This happens without you doing anything, and Centrelink is constantly checking your information in the background. So if you received a bank interest payment that was not declared, if your super fund reported a balance increase, or if the ATO recorded income that Centrelink does not know about, Centrelink will find out. And when they do, they can adjust your payments and often backdate the change, which can result in a large debt. Based on the review activity we have been tracking and the messages from our community here at Centrelink Pension Guide, several groups are most at risk right now. Age pensioners who own property need to pay special attention because with property values having changed significantly in recent years, many pensioners may now be over the asset's threshold without realizing it. Pensioners receiving an inheritance are also at high risk, as even a modest amount can push you over the income or assets limit and catch families completely off guard during an already difficult time. Pensioners with self-managed super funds face more complex reporting requirements, and errors in reporting SMSF balances or income streams can lead to miscalculations of your entitlements. And people who recently started working casually must report all income, no matter how little, to Centrelink each fortnight. So what can you actually do to protect yourself? First, log into MyGov today and check all of your personal details, your address, relationship status, income, and assets. And if anything has changed and you have not reported it, report it right now. Second, at least once a year, do a full review of your assets and income. Make a list of everything you own and everything you earn, and compare it against the current Centrelink thresholds, which we update regularly here on Centrelink Pension Guide. Third, Keep records of every contact you have with Centrelink, the date, the time, the name of the staff member, and what was discussed, because this can be vital if there is ever a dispute. Fourth, if you receive a letter from Centrelink, do not ignore it. Read it carefully, respond by the deadline, and if you do not understand something, call Centrelink or seek advice immediately. Fifth, know your review and appeal rights. If Centrelink reduces or stops your payment and you believe it is wrong, you have the right to appeal, and many decisions are overturned. If you are feeling overwhelmed, you are not alone, and there are free services available including community legal centers, financial counselors, and social workers who can help you at no cost. And of course, you can always come back here to Centrelink Pension Guide, where we break down exactly this kind of information in plain English, so that you always know where you stand. So to quickly recap, keep your Centrelink details updated at all times, report all income and asset changes no matter how small, respond to every Centrelink letter immediately, know your right to appeal any decision, and seek free help if you need it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up because it really helps more people in our community find this information when they need it most. And if you have not already, subscribe to Centrelink Pension Guide and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We post new videos regularly to help you stay informed, stay protected, and get every dollar you are entitled to. If you have a question or a topic you would like us to cover, drop it in the comments below because we read every single one. Thank you so much for watching, take care of yourselves, and we will see you in the next video.